But you could see here, of course, we don't go up forever. 230% movements don't continue forever. And you can see here we retraced pretty much 100% of that 230% movement. So we're down here hoping to find support and continue to the upside. But that candle is barely hanging on. The weekly candle is barely hanging on. Here you could see here we're barely hanging on to a green candle, but we still have 5 days and 6 hours left. We could still continue to wick to the downside, but hopefully close towards the upside of the candle body wick and start getting some bullish movement back into the market. So SGB, before we get too ahead of ourselves, we would want to reclaim the 0.01696 level before we could really expect a lot of bullish movement. And like I just measured from the swing low to the top of the wick, 230% movement, I would say that's a 200% movement from current price to the white horizontal ray, 181% movement to the upside. So that would be a huge movement. But if we don't start breaking above the horizontal ray at a 0.01696 level, if we don't start breaking above that, then I would fear that we're just range bound, because we've been below this level since November 7th, 2022, with no candle bodies closing above the white horizontal ray. So SGB, I don't know how it looks. It doesn't really look too great, doesn't look too bad. With there being upside potential of 200%, 181%, before we could potentially break out of this huge level of resistance and start going after our horizontal ray. I mean, that would make me feel that there's a ton of upside potential.